I would like to tell you some old stories about this river. Like the old man says, this river they are calling tibu cinta, love of the river. So these stories exist before the water much in this village in Bawah now. In a long history, or a long time ago, this river has a big benefit for the local people, also the farmers and animals. Where when the summer is coming, there is no water on the village. So this river always has water. It's like 10 or 20 years ago. And many people, many residents from Bawah Now village coming for washing or spring for the animal or the plant. Why they call the tibu cinta? Because in a long time ago, young boys and the young girls coming for the washing. So the history already told by the old people in this village, where in here they find love. Love that's meaning it's not like modern days, use a handphone, use a message to find the girl. But on this beautiful village, they found the girl because of the washing. The history coming, or the name of develop, because when the boys, the young boys and the young girls get in here, and then they are feel like the heart of the love for the her. Usually for the boys, they try to coming close to the girl when the girl is like washing their clothes. End of that, the boys try to talking. When the boys have a dirty clothes, they give to the young girls for washing their clothes. For that's in fact, they make it like love or the fall in love with a little bit harmony with the sound of nature. This river mostly they use for baths, they use for washing, like I say, from that washing history. This river made named by the local people is tibu cinta. But in the long history, this river also has a big impact for our farming. Because it's like 20 or 30 years ago, there is no water coming across when the summer's time, hot season is coming. Only this river has a good benefit for the local residents. Tibu cinta is a medical history. When one heart made by water, bring the parent, bring the old parent until now. So, but the history, I think, is already gone now, because not all the young people want to know about the history for this medical place. I'm sad now when I know that history will be forgotten by the young. So pity, this village has a big impact for the farming, for the relationship, for the medical history, but will live on the medical history. I was so pity. But now I'm gonna exploring and then tell you much about the history about this river. So because we has another river at the other side of there, but no, we cannot cross that one because the water is like a really strong current. So we must waiting until the summer or the hot season comes to explore that water. So the river, we call it the river of love, tibu tola. The medical history about the old pharaoh, about the washing history to make it love, about the animal who has to bring in here, about the farming who's watering the plantation, about this village where they have become Bawa now village. Thank you for that one. I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel. And then see you next videos.